So guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are sharpening the Kentish axe head, and then after sharpening we are going to linseed oil the handle. So let's get cracking on sharpening. So guys, I'm just going to run a flat file just along the edge. I'm going to leave it the like rusty old look. So guys, I'm just going to file. It's already been sharpened once, just going over it with a file, just to make it sharp. By the way guys, I do have a surprise for you, but that can wait in the middle of the video. I'll show you that surprise once we have sharpened and oiled the linseed and oiled the axe of the Kentish handle. I'll give you a little glimpse of it. That's all you're getting, guys. So guys, I'll just turn the axe head round now. I'll just spin it like that. Sorry guys about that. I can't film and use one arm, so you have to go back there for a minute. Just gonna do the other side. So I'm gonna put you down, and you can watch me do the other side on the axe. Sorry about that guys, I went in about. we keep doing that for? C sharp, by the way, guys. So guys, just gonna put the axe on there. Now let's get linseed oil in. So guys, I'll see you in a bit. Just the handle, been linseed oiled before. So I'm just gonna go along. Just going to go along and linseed oil the handle. See, look, it's got that dark colour already. That's what you want. Nice dark colour. You don't want too much of this, otherwise it will ruin it. But I'm going to do the actual axe bit itself as well, the actual axe head, just so it gives it a nice colour to it. The dogs are going mental. They just play fighting. Top of the head. I think Brother Sam, we're going to do his at some point as well. So obviously we can film that so you guys can see it. So guys, as you can see, I've linseed oiled the handle and the actual head, so that will be good to use. Just got to wait for the oil to dry before you can actually use it. So I will see you once it's dry.